Good part of the day to everyone, dear students. We are going to continue on reading today with you. So today's topic is reading and finding specific information in text. So I'm going to introduce you some objectives that are really essential in today's topic. So by the end of the lesson, students will be able to understand the topic of scanning in reading. So you are going to distinguish between skimming and scanning. We have learned about skimming and scanning in the previous classes, and we are going to revise them. So the next one, apply techniques to locate specific information quickly. We are going to have a look some tricks and techniques in doing reading questions and practice using short texts for information retrieval. I'm going to give you some mock tests that are used in Uzbekistan by the test center, state test center. So these are the objectives we are going to work on today. Let's move on. Now I'm going to introduce you the, the main topics, like how to search for specific information. So when you are searching some information in reading, there can be two techniques. The first one is skimming and the second one is scanning. The information can be like a data in the text, in numbers or in nouns, given in nouns. So you have to find out them, and moreover, they can be sometimes information in the tables or charts. So we are going to have a look them as well. So if you are doing some table question type, you have to do a technique. You have to use a technique like scanning. Scanning, have a look the word scanning itself, and there is double n, as you see. And it means noun and number. You can remember in this way easier. So when you are doing scanning, you are going to find noun or number in the text. So you are going to read fast for nouns or numbers. You're not going to get the gist of the text. So if it is skimming, have a look the letter so meaning. Skimming means meaning. You are going to read fast for meaning. You're not paying attention particular word or noun or number in the text, but you're going to get the whole idea, the main idea of the text. You may do this by glancing through a newspaper headline or subtitle, or reading in zigzag style. By this way you can do skimming activity. Now, before moving on the PPT presentation, I'm gonna give you a text, part one question text used in CFA mock exams. Have a look this text. So we have already looked through such questions. As you see, there are some gaps here. Yeah, as you see, there are 6 gaps, and you have to fill the gaps with appropriate words, and the words should be taken from the text itself. Usually the words can be put here which were used already, which have been used in the text before the gap. So if question number 1, gap, yeah, if you are going to fill this gap, you have to search for this word before the gap. So it is an example for searching for specific information like today's topic. That's why I have chosen this text. So I'm going to give you some time to have a look, to skim and we are going to discuss after you have already uh, revised. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Mhm. Okay, I think your time is up. So if you have already seen the text we are going to work on, the question. Skimming helps you to get the main idea and gives you a chance to link the specific information with the whole idea. If you know that what the text is all about, then it's a bit easier to find out specific words can be linked the text. So have a look at the first sentence. Cows first came to America in 1611. Uh-huh. Each farming family usually kept its own cow. And you have to find this word. Member would milk the cow each day. Have a look. The question for the first gap, we have to put what kind of word. You have to analyze it at first. We have article a in the before the gap. It means that the next word must be a noun beginning with a consonant sound, yeah, because after a we have to use consonant sound, a noun beginning with consonant sound. So after that there is a word member. So let's find the word uh, from the words before this gap. So cow. A cow member would milk the cow each day. No, it's not gonna suit here. Own, no. Kept, no. Family. Have a look. A family member would milk the cow each day. Yes, we need this word here. It gave them milk to drink. They had to milk the cows by hand. The then was boiled in a big pot over the fire. So we have to find the next word in the for the next gap. So what can be boiled in a pot over the fire? So hand, no, we need a noun here, but we can't use hand here. Cows, cows, then no, the grammar structure does not suit here because the verb is given in plural, no, in singular, but the cows are in we can't use the article because we have already yesterday and milk. So the milk was then boiled in a big pot over the fire. Yes, that is the word. Then it had to cool, and after that, someone skimmed the cream off the top of the pan. Dairy farmers raise and milk cows for us. For hundreds of years, spent many hours milking. So we need the short word for the short gap. So who spent many hours milking? Uh, let's have a look. Years, hundreds, cows, milk, farmers. Maybe the word is farmers. Farmers spend many hours milking. Yeah,